you guys? So it's been a very long time since I've been in front of a camera, I feel like. But today we were doing something a little bit different for my channel because I don't think I've ever done a haul video. But your girl is getting prepped for hot girl summer. Okay, I've decided that this year I'm going to take advantage, like last year being stuck inside and quarantine and stuff, really just kind of opened my eyes to everything that I was just letting summer pass me by these past few years. So I was like, you know what, this year it's going to be different. So I placed the order on Shein, and y'all, your girl, it was an add to cart kind of day. So yeah, so these are my outfits, and I did a lot of coordinating outfits this time because I just felt like that would be easiest for me to already have outfits put together, and it'll be great for vacations, that sort of thing. So if you want to see what I got, just keep watching. Alright guys, so we are starting off really strong. So this one I was kind of worried about just because I'm a little top heavy. And so I was kind of worried about the way this shirt would fit me, but so far I like it. It is a coordinating set, so the shorts are these right here. It's just a plain black top, so you could definitely use the top for another outfit, or you can, you know, swap out the shorts for something else. Alright guys, so this is set number 2, and this is in an extra small. I'm wearing a strapless bra with it. So the first set was a small, this is an extra small, and I like it. I don't know how I feel. I like it, I think. Pretty sure, like 80%. I'd give it like an 8 out of 10. Okay, so outfit number 3 is a 3. Yeah, it's a solid choice. So this was a dress I got just for, you know, going out. It's very, it's backless, and it plunges. I'm not wearing anything with it right now. So this, I think I also got an extra small, but I like it. I like the color, and the fit of it is really good. I was kind of worried about it, honestly, but I like it. Alright guys, so we are back with outfit choice number 4. Again, coordinating set, so it just fits like this. This top, I think a couple of the sets had the same top, but I really like it. I think I have this same set in like pink shorts too, so I like it. Definitely cute. Okay, but baby, this is giving me 10 out of 10 vibes right here. Do you see this outfit? Do you see the fit? Like, I just feel like this is brunch at the country club kind of vibe. Like, I don't know, I feel bougie in this outfit. It must be these like buttons. It's gotta be the buttons. Of course this outfit needs to be pressed, but baby, like, yes ma'am. Okay, so this, I think I got an extra small. First of all, as a bustier female for my frame, okay, let me put that out there. As a bustier female for my frame, I'm a little concerned about this outfit because I'm just like, it's only as secure as my bra top is. So I don't know, like, you guys, it's cute, right? It's cute. I would not wear this outfit though if I was going anywhere that was gonna require me to be like very doing a lot of movement. Like, I don't feel like I'm secure enough in this top with my girls. Like, it's cute, but I would give it like a 8 out of 10, like a 7.5 out of 10, because she cute. The fact that this right here, this top is literally just like one strip of fabric. Okay, it's just one strip of fabric that you just tie around and just, you know, hope that everything's covered, because yeah. Okay, so this outfit I like. I would give it like a 6 out of 10. Like, I like it and everything, and maybe, I don't know, these shorts feel like they're really long. I don't know, maybe it's just me and I'm tripping. So this, I think, is also in an extra small. So yeah, she's very basic, you know. We're just kind of, you know, just going out. We're not going serve looks. We're just kind of, you know, trying to be cute. And we are back with another coordinating set. See, these shorts I love. Like, they're giving me very much vacation in Mexico vibes. Like, I like them. Then the top, of course, is the same scallop edge. Like, I swear I'm gonna have like 8 or 9 of these by the time this haul is over, but that's okay because it's super cute and I like it. Definitely 8 or 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. I really like these shorts. They do not have pockets. That is one thing you're like, what am I supposed to do? But yeah, so this is also an extra small. Okay, guys, we have a 9 out of 10. Okay, do we see this skirt? Do we see this dress? Like, I love it. I love that it's fitted. This I believe is an extra small, and it's just like a black floral dress. They had it in different colors, but I'm just like, I love black. Okay, I love black. So it's very fitted, and it's like, it's very modest at the same time, so you can be like sexy, but you could also wear it to church because, you know, it's covering everything, which is a good thing. But yeah, I like it. I like 9 out of 10. I will say it's a little snug, so if you rocking a headband wig or something like that, I might would put this on first and then do your hair, or you might, yeah, but I like it. Alright guys, so we're back. This is another coordinating set. I like the shorts. I feel like they're a little, I don't know, like the length is weird on them, kind of like the green shorts I showed you guys earlier. This is a small. I don't really care for the top. Like, I feel like it should, I don't know, I don't care for it. I feel like it's a little shapeless, so I'm not a fan of that part. But this is what it looks like. Oh, I look pregnant when I turn it away. I don't like that. Yeah, so I would probably give this like a 6. Yeah, like a 6, because I'm not feeling it. Alright guys, we're back. I don't even know what outfit we're on right now, but this is a super cute halter top shirt, and it is, I don't know if you guys can see, but you tie it basically, like you have to tie the top and the back at the same time, which I like because it allows me control of how the shirt fits. So definitely like that. I like these shorts. They're really weird material though. I don't know if you guys can feel that. They're weird material. Again, we don't have pockets, so apparently we're just gonna be holding the phone all summer, and that's okay. But yeah, I like it. I'd give this an 8 out of 10. I believe this was an extra small, but I'll make sure to put it down below. Okay, so I got this because I ordered like a few months ago, and I got it's the same shirt with some shorts. And when I tell you that outfit is like, it's cute. This one, however, I'm not feeling that much. Like, I don't know, maybe I might cut these off and make them some shorts, but I'm just not feeling like these pants. They fit weird. Yeah, I don't know. I would give this like a 4.5, I think. And I believe this is an extra small. But again, if it's not, I will put it down below in the description box. Alright guys, so we're back with another coordinating outfit. This is also an extra small, so it is a short set, but I just don't have a lot of torso, so this shirt is like coming down kind of low. I will get close so you guys can see this detailing. I hate these, like this lettuce cut shirts. I hate them. This remind me of like grade school. Again, no pockets, but that's okay because we've come to expect that. I would probably just end up wearing these shorts with something else because, like I said, I don't like this top. But I do like the print of the shorts. Like, I think that it's very cute. It's muted, so I could just wear this with like some black sandals, and yeah, I like it. Okay guys, so initially I was gonna give this outfit a 10 out of 10. Like, the fabric is so soft, like I love it. However, I don't know if you guys are like, do you see this? It's one of those where your shirt is like separate. It's a small, and I don't know how I feel about these sleeves like this. Like, I don't like being restricted like that, and so that is a negative in my book. If it doesn't bother you, you know, by all means, enjoy it. I like the print. I feel like I should be on a beach in Hawaii sipping a mimosa or something. I also feel like this is like really billowy. Like, am I tripping, or is this like giving me extra bust that I really don't need? I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, so this is outfit. Who knows at this point, but she cute or whatever. Okay, so listen, y'all. If you don't know this by now, my favorite color is black. I like to stay like under the radar, and this outfit is just like, hi, look at me. What are you doing? She's red. She is red. She's cute, but she's red, and I don't know. So this is a small. So as we previously discovered, the shorts on the smalls fall like a little bit longer on me. This top is a little bit loose, but I mean, nothing like super crazy. I don't know how I feel. Like, I don't know. I like it. I like her. I think she's cute. It's just, I'm gonna have to get used to this red though, because it's red. It's red. Alright guys, so the outfit from before with the blue and white, this is giving me everything that that one should have, and I think it might be the sizing. So this one is an extra small, the other one I believe is a small, so the top fits a lot better. However, she is sheer. She is very, very see-through, so I would highly encourage a black bra, nude bra, something like that. These shorts I love. Okay, I love them. I can get down with this kind of color. I don't know about the red outfit from before though. Like, I'm still, I don't know y'all, but yeah, I love her. I love her. I like the white top. I feel like it's a good difference, you know, from all the black tops that I bought already. So yeah, I'm about to lose my balance, but that's okay. We like her. We're gonna give her an 8 out of 10. Y'all, we finna be outside this summer. Yes, baby. Okay, so again, we're back with the black scallop top. I think I have about 3 or 4 of these at this point. I'm pretty sure, like 3 or 4 outfits. Between this haul and the other set of outfits that I bought, I'm pretty sure I have like 3 or 4 of these shirts. So I'm gonna have to donate a couple. But I love these shorts. So this is in an extra small. These shorts are like a blue, with a green, can you guys see, like green and red. So I like it. I love it. I love it. Actually, I would give this an 8 out of 10, and she's super comfortable. I like the shorts. I feel like they're decent length. Like, they're not going to show everything, which none of the shorts give me that vibe anyway, but I like it. I like it. I feel like I need to book a vacation like today. Okay, so this outfit was probably the most expensive. I think it was like $19. So this is in a small, and it is like the pants and the shirt together. I like it. I like it. I would give it like a 7 out of 10, maybe. I don't know how I feel about this shirt like situation. I don't know how it's, I don't know where we're supposed to be at with this. So I'm gonna just like leave it right here for now. It's cute. I like it. I haven't figured out what kind of shoes I'm gonna wear, but we do have pockets on this one, you guys. So the first outfit of all of them to have pockets, but I'm definitely not mad at it. I like it. I like her. Like I said, I would give it like a 7 out of 10. All right, guys, so this is the final outfit. Again, we got the little self tie. Very cute. However, you guys can see the bras coming through. So I don't know, like, I feel like you'd have to use some tape with this one. Like the other one, I could conceal the bra, but with this one, like the way it's set up, it's just not gonna work out that way. But she's cute. I love the colors. Like, I feel like it's giving me very much, you know, sitting on a beach vibes. Very much I'm out, you know, I'm out here vibes, but I like her. I'd give her a 9 out of 10 if we can get the bra situation correct. If we can get that right, she's a winner in my book, but right now that ain't gonna work for me. So yeah, I like her. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this Shein haul. Hopefully there will be more coming soon. If you guys like it, make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, and I'll talk to you in my next video.